360DigiTMG channel, and welcome to this session where I'm going to explain about one of the internship opportunities that we are offering from 360DigiTMG perspective. 360DigiTMG, we are committed to basically provide quality education and also try and help the youth or the young breed of data analytics and data scientists to come up to that quality which industry is actually expecting. My name is Sharath, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics, which is a US based company, and we work on AI related projects. And I also closely work with 360 Digit MG. Now, as part of this particular session, I'm going to explain about the specific internship opportunity that we are providing for people who are working or who want to get expertise in the space of data, right? Whether it is data analytics or data scientists. When you're trying to deal with data, there are certain things that you will have to practically expose yourself into. If you're already chosen this as a career path, and if you are trying to get into this exciting world of data, then congratulations, friends, because this is what is going to stay for future. Right? So you have chosen the right career path. The biggest problem, right, as part of my engagement with various people, when I try to connect with the youngsters in the space of data science or machine learning area, I see that a lot of people with excitement. But the problem is there are a lot of people who are not exposed to the real world challenges. Right? All of you, in fact, who are connecting is some way or the other is familiar or got trained in machine learning or data analytics related subjects like Python, SQL, data uh, pre-processing concepts or machine learning concepts, whether it is supervised or unsupervised learning techniques, etc. If you're not familiar, then you will have to join other internship opportunity that we are offering. And we explain about that program on Friday evenings. So you'll have to subscribe to the YouTube channel and connect with us back on Friday so that I can or we can explain what is that particular internship program all about. But this one, today is Tuesday, and today what we are discussing is for more matured audience. When I say more matured audience, I'm talking about the experience with respect to machine learning implementations. The problem is a lot of you people are also familiar with how machine learning models are developed. In fact, you probably have worked on various Kaggle projects or various other online platform projects, but you're still not up to the mark. In fact, your resume is also not getting shortlisted. This is because you lack the skill of practical implementations. The production environment is completely a different ballgame. This internship opportunity is to help you people get a deep dive understanding into this particular scenario. Of course, this is a CSR program and we are running this internship program for 30 days only. But this is the initial step for you people to understand the world of machine learning deployment area. And that is what you are going to learn as part of this particular internship program. These 30 days, we have split it into 20 days and 10 days. In the first 20 days, you will be getting the learning videos, which basically will be used for you to practice and learn new things. What is deployment, how the deployment based solutions are developed, what tools you can use. And in order to ensure that there is a smooth deployment strategy is also available, what are the steps that you'll have to implement right from beginning? Right? There will be a process that you'll have to follow. What are those steps? All these are new skills that you're going to learn, along with the skill that you probably already are having, which is Python programming. These 20 days that you are basically looking at, is completely to upskill yourself with this new skill set. Now, once you are familiar with this, then immediately after that, we will have 10 days where you would be implementing the newfound skills on the real world case. In order to ensure that there is a smooth flow, we will have our expert, MLOps expert, who can connect with you and guide you on what you are supposed to do. And for that, we have a stand-up meeting also. On daily basis, we'll have 15 minutes meeting, Monday to Friday. This is to explain you people on what you are supposed to do next. Or if you have any issues, what are those issues? We'll be recording them. This way, we'll ensure that everybody who's working on the projects are up to the mark and completing the task on time. Now, you may say that 10 days is it good enough? Yes, it is absolutely good enough. In fact, these 10 days, we are going to split them into 5 days and 5 days tasks. You'll be focusing only on deployment. Remember, we are not going to assign you a training job. We'll not say, hey, this is data set, this is the problem statement, do this, do the training and all that. That is probably done by some other people. There's a different team, machine learning team, who will do it. This 30 days, the focus should be only on what you should do after training the machine learning model. After you identify the best model, next what? You're not going to keep that model for you, right? Ultimately, you're training a machine learning model so that your customers can start using it. So how do you give this solution that you're developing to your customers? That is what deployment is all about, and this is the skill that you're going to learn. Because in industry, in production scenarios, you need to have this particular skill to basically explain or implement the solution for your customers. Okay, this is where majority of your resumes probably will not even get screened. If you have this newfound skill set in your resume, then automatically your resume will have more weightage. And in order to ensure that you also get that additional weightage, we give an assessment on LinkedIn. Now, why LinkedIn? Again, the answer is something you all know. LinkedIn is the most popular profile screening platform. Right? People will share their professional profiles, right? And work profiles basically. And it is publicly made available so that, right, people can trust each other when they are updating their profiles. So HR teams from the organizations, from the recruiters, they look at the LinkedIn platform to validate your content in the resume. Right? And if your LinkedIn page contains a lot of newfound skills like MLOps, machine learning deployments, post-deployment activities and all that, then obviously the weightage will increase multifold. And that is the reason. Now, once you're done with all these tasks, you will be assigned with a certificate, something like this. Okay, this is a sample certificate, of course. You'll get something like this. You have to complete the project successfully. And remember, this is a CSR program, community service program. It is completely free. We're not charging anything. But again, the seriousness has to be there because there is an opportunity given. If you don't take it, somebody else will take it. Be serious for the next 30 days. Your session begins tomorrow. The learning phase will start tomorrow. All you have to do is register for this particular program if you are interested. If you're already familiar with machine learning capabilities, that's the minimum prerequisite. Because if you're not familiar with machine learning, then from scratch, there's no point. You don't understand anything. Right? So there is a prerequisite for this particular internship program that we are launching. If you go ahead and register, the problem is that you'll not be able to complete, you'll get frustrated. All right? So ensure that you are choosing the internship program correctly. If you're not familiar with machine learning completely, then attend the Fridays internship program. This is for little experts. What we will basically do, right, is when you get exposed to this, right, we put you people into this exposure, because see what we are trying to do is help our students also from the practical implementation perspective. Because of that, you can see our success stories, right? I'll try to open the success stories page. It's a lazy learner. Yeah, see, it's slowly loading. Yeah, wait here. So what happens is here our career transition success stories, right? All the people who have accepted, who have recently got placed, who are getting placed, and who agree to have their profiles publicly made available, we get their profiles here. Right? We'll update here. All right. You can also download the PDF version of this particular career transition details, right? And then you can connect with all our alumni. I'll open this PDF. You can see all the major companies, friends, here, right? Our team is working in all the major companies across the globe, not just India, friends. We're also there in other countries as well. US, UK, Singapore, Malaysia, right? Dubai. So our people are working in all the big companies. You named them. HCL, TCS, Walmart, Cord, EY. Yep. So you name them. There are few more profiles which get updated here. Month on month, people who accept to they have their profiles here, we will update here. So this is basically the career transition page. These people have actually spent time on working on the kind of projects that we get or we work for our customers. You can always see their success stories on YouTube live as well. We invite our alumni to share their experiences and we post their experiences here. Right? So you can always try and engage with these people to, right, understand how they transform their careers into this interesting, exciting job profiles. Along with that, you also might want to understand that we do conduct a lot of live sessions, friends. This is for helping all our students and across the budding data scientists and data analytics communities. We do resume building sessions. We conduct these special podcasts. Right. This is me. I'm explaining about vector databases, which are the go-to databases for your large language models and AI models today. Then we also conduct right these various live sessions over weekends. Yeah, and over weekdays also. You might want to check the live sessions also. You can subscribe and get all the information, latest of the information for you. This is something that I wanted to convey, friends. And please do check these learning resources on the website as well. People who are really interested and people who want to upskill themselves, then this learning resources page is something that you might want to have a glance at. There are certain videos for all these latest of trending concepts: data science, data analytics, data engineering, and MLOps. And we have digital book, we have mind maps, we have resume mapper. This is basically an LLM based model which helps you to get the scores to understand how relevant your profile is with any job description. It quantifies, it gives you number on how much percentage is your resume matching to job description. Then we have ML architect assistant page where you can design your architectures. There are templates which you can choose, customize using those templates, whatever your project is all about, right? So you can design your data flow, ML architecture using this particular page. We also have various projects that our teams are working on. Details about those are available here. You can watch them on the videos. And we have animated learnings. We are also coming up with the platform where we will be hosting the job requirements that are in the space of data analytics and data science. because of the tie-ups that we have with various companies, and when they come up with any specific requirements, we post those details here so that our students and other external students also, external people also, if they suit, if they have the profile which is matching, they can always come here and then try and apply. This is page is work in progress. We'll launch this page very soon. So these are some of the very interesting platform, right? You might want to utilize. This is a quiz page. You can take up a quiz, 60 questions, 30 questions in the space of data science, analytics, data engineering, MLOps, right? All those good things. And this basically helps you to prepare well. All right. So these are some of the important things that I wanted to convey. So don't waste your opportunity. Share the information with your friends and loved ones, whoever is trying to upskill themselves into the space of machine learning, and then they probably want to start doing internship. Then this is the first step, friends. This is Launchpad. Remember, it is a free program, so it'll be of 30 days and you'll be learning a lot of things, but still, this is not comprehensive program like what our regular students do. But yeah, this is definitely going to help you what understanding the globe of the entire world of data science and machine learning implementations. Register by clicking onto the WhatsApp community link, which is shared in the chat. And once you're joining the community, that means you have registered. All the information will be communicated in that particular WhatsApp community itself. So good luck, friends, and I will see you all after the project successful completion. And right, I wish everybody has the certificate at your hand, and let's start marketing it. Good luck with your careers, friends, and 360DigiTMG from our side, whatever we can provide support from our side to the community, we are trying to do. So use the opportunity, and thank you so much. Good evening, everyone.